Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. So in the last session we had seen how we can use S3 bucket to host static websites by enabling the static website hosting settings in the properties. So in today's session we'll see how we can use the Amazon S3 SDK to upload and download a file using to an S3 bucket using the access key and secrets key. So this I'll be performing using Spring Boot and HTS. So to start with, I've created a sample Maven project named AWS SD, and I've in the POM I've added a AWS Java SDK. Now you get one generic AWS SDK which has all the services, but if you don't want to load your Spring Boot jar, then you can use this specific one. So I'm going with AWS Java SDK S3. After that, I'll just be walking you through the code. I'll upload the code on the Bitbucket so that y'all can refer to it on Git. So I've created two controllers, one for upload and one for download, taking the parameter as file name. And coming to the configuration part, I've created a bean with S3 config and provided the credentials. Now here created an access key and secret key. So I created a program I am user. So you can refer the I am user video on my channel where I've shown how we can create an IAM user and provide access key and secret key to use these services. So using those access key and secret key, I'm creating a AWS credentials object and then assigning it to Amazon S3 client. So S3 client will be responsible to perform all the operations like get object, put object, list object, move object. So all the operations that want to perform on S3 will be done using Amazon S3 client. And then I'm returning this client. And then in the upload part, I'm accepting a file from my C users downloads. I'm getting a key. Key is nothing but a file name or any identification that we'll need. And S3 put object. Same as for download, I'm using the get object with the bucket name and the file name. And rest of the code is like for getting the bytes and throwing them as a response. So let me start this. Okay, my application has started on port 80. So through Postman, first I have this localhost 8080 slash upload and pass the parameters file name and file as test3.txt. So file uploaded successfully. If I go and refresh, yes, so I have the file available. And similarly, if I go to the downloads, this is S3 upload code. So this is what my text file. This is S3 upload code. So this way you can use the AWS S3 SDKs to perform tasks on S3. If you go inside the class, you will get more options on it. Get object, put object. Yeah, some of them are deprecated. See, you have list objects. So bucket name and prefix. So you can do list object as well, list all the items in your bucket. And what else you have? You have list objects V2. So there is a new version. Uh, not much aware about it, but yeah. So there is a new version for list objects. I just saw it today. And yeah, you can use any of the methods to for which you want to perform the operation. Yes, so that's it for this session. Just wanted to walk you through how you can use AWS S3 SDKs to perform whatever sort of operations you need on Amazon S3 bucket. So please do like share, and subscribe. And do drop a comment if you have any suggestions. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.